This shoebox cost me $3,200. Not because I lost it, but because I couldn't find the receipts inside it when I needed them most. But then I discovered a system that takes 5 minutes to set up and has saved me thousands every single year since. If you're self-employed, you know this pain. Receipts everywhere, in your car, your wallet, that random drawer in the kitchen. Then tax season hits and you're scrambling, trying to find that one receipt from 8 months ago. And you know you're missing deductions, but you have no idea which ones. That was me, running a home business, juggling receipts, and unknowingly leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Before I show you what works, let's talk about why most systems fail. First, they're too complicated. Color-coded folders, detailed categorization, manual entry into spreadsheets. Who has time for that? Second, they require you to be consistent. Miss a week and you're buried. Life happens. Kids get sick. Work gets busy. Third, physical receipts. Fade. That thermal paper most businesses use, gone in 6 months. And fourth, most digital solutions still aren't IRS compliant or audit proof. A photo in your camera roll isn't enough. Okay, here's the system that changed everything for me. Step 1. Download one receipt app. I use and recommend Expensify. I tested 7 different apps, and this one wins for ease of use and IRS compliance. You can start with the free version. It handles everything most small businesses need. Step 2. Setup takes 2 minutes. Create an account. Connect your bank if you want automatic expense imports. I prefer manual for control. And set your business categories. The app comes with default categories. I customized mine to match my business. Takes 30 seconds. Step 3. And this is the key. Scan your receipt immediately. Not when you get home. Not at the end of the week. The moment you get it. Open the app. Tap the camera icon. Take a photo. The app uses OCR, optical character recognition, to read the receipt automatically. It pulls the merchant name, amount, date, and suggests a category. You just verify it's correct. 5 seconds. And you're done. Then, here's the beautiful part. You can throw away the paper receipt, because Expensify creates an IRS-compliant digital record. Step 4. Repeat. Every single day. Every single receipt. It takes me about 2 minutes per day total. I usually do it while I'm still at the store, or in my car before I drive away. Step 5. Once a month, I spend 15 minutes reviewing everything, making sure categories are correct. Nothing's missing. The app lets you see everything at a glance. I can filter by category, by date, by amount. It's all searchable. Step 6. When tax time comes, I click one button and export everything. The app creates a detailed report with every receipt image attached. I hand this to my accountant, or plug the numbers into my tax software. Everything's organized, categorized, and backed up with proof. Bonus: everything syncs to the cloud. Even if I lose my phone, all my receipts are safe. And the app backs them up for 7 years, which is exactly what the IRS requires. Let me show you exactly how I use this in real life. Morning coffee with a potential client. The meeting wraps up. I pay for both of us. That's a business meal deduction. Before I even leave the coffee shop, I open Expensify, snap the receipt. It reads it automatically. It auto-categorizes as meals and entertainment. I add a note. Meeting with potential client Sarah. Takes 15 seconds. Paper receipt goes in the trash. Done. Later. I'm at the office supply store. Printer paper. Ink. Some pens. Same routine. Check out, scan, verify. Trash the paper. Another 10 seconds. The app also tracks mileage. When I drive to a client meeting, I hit start when I leave, stop when I arrive. It uses GPS to track the route and automatically calculates the deduction at the IRS standard rate. At 67 cents per mile, that's almost $16 this trip alone. I set a weekly reminder on Sundays. Takes me 5 minutes to scan through the week. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Usually I got everything already. Occasionally I find a receipt in my wallet I forgot about. Scan it quick, and I'm covered. Now, let me share 3 mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, waiting to do it all at once. Don't save up receipts for the weekend. You'll forget, or you'll lose them, or they'll fade. Scan immediately. Make it a non-negotiable habit. Receipt in hand equals phone out. Scan, done. Mistake 2, vague categorization. Don't just dump everything into business expenses. Use specific categories. It makes tax time easier and helps you see where your money's actually going. Mistake 3, not adding notes. A restaurant receipt with no context looks personal, not business. Add a quick note. Who you met with. What you discussed. 3 seconds now saves you hours if you're ever audited. Here's what happened after 6 months of using this system. I tracked 638 receipts. That's business expenses I could prove. That translated to an extra $3,200 in deductions. At my tax rate, that saved me about $1,200 in actual taxes. But the money isn't even the best part. I saved at least 10 hours during tax season. No more hunting for receipts, no more panic, and I have complete peace of mind. If I ever get audited, I have every single receipt, categorized, dated, and backed up in the cloud. Okay, so here's what to do next. Step 1, download the app. I've linked Expensify in the description below. That's my #1 recommendation. Full disclosure. That's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission if you sign up. But I genuinely use and recommend it. Step 2, grab my free receipt organization checklist. It walks you through the setup and gives you a categorization template you can copy. Link is in the description. And if you want more systems like this, paperless invoicing, expense tracking, tax organization, subscribe to this channel. I post new videos every Monday. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest receipt organization challenge? I read every comment, and your questions help me decide what video to make next. Thanks for watching. Let's revolutionize your business together. See you next Monday.